We are installing a 3-inch TICX lock on a 3-inch TICX line running tool. We will begin with our running tool in a vise. We will first pull down on the locator dog housing. That will allow the locator dogs to collapse down into a slot on the locator mandrel, placing the tool in a non-selective position. We will then slide the core upwards towards the fishneck, allowing the retainer dogs to collapse down into its housing. We will now expand our X-lock, slide it onto the running tool until the fishneck comes into contact with the locator dog housing. We will slide the core all the way down. That will then expand the retainer dogs into the fishneck of the X-lock, holding it on the running tool. We will now install a 1/4-inch shear pin on top of the running tool. We will then collapse the X-lock, expanding the keys into the locating position, orienting the packing mandrel into the hole on the packing mandrel, lines up with the hole in the core, making sure that both holes from the top of the running tool to the lock are in line with one another. We will then install a 5/16 shear pin through the packing mandrel and the core of the running tool. We will now slightly increase tension on the core spring, pressing down on the locator dogs, releasing them from the mandrel, which will place the tool in the running position. The locator dogs are now ready to locate, and the tool is ready to run.